Hello, what's up guys? DIY Scoot. Pasensya na, medyo late ang ating upload ngayon. Busy. Before I start the video, I just want to say Merry Christmas to all. Belated Merry Christmas and ingat po sa incoming New Year. Sa labas po magpapaputok, wag sa labas. Ay, wag sa loob. So, ano ba to? Ito yung atin ngayon. Fuel injector cleaner. Ito kasi madami akong nakikita sa post ng 125 group na para saan to, pwede ba to, pwede ba ganyan. Actually mga paps and moms, dapat bibiling ko dalawa to, ito tsaka yung Yamalube na injector cleaner, kasi nagpunta akong trash shop ngayon, walang mabili. December 26 ngayon mga paps, kaya halos walang parts man, sarado, kaya ito na muna. Gagamitin ko din siya sa aking sasakyan, kukuha lang ako konti dito kasi explain ko kung bakit. Ito kasi yung 354 ml nya is use up to ito rates up to 28 gallons. Ang tank capacity lang natin ay 4.6 liters. So ano bang kahalagaan nito? Ilalagay ko po sa video kung gaano kahalaga to, and then tingnan muna natin kung para saan ba to. Save gas and lower emission by cleaning dirt, fuel injector, restore power, installation. Yeah. Direction for complete stock at least half full, one bottle treat up to 28 gallons.
Hi, I'm Parm, and I'm an STP scientist. Today, I'm going to show you how STP fuel additives can unclog dirty fuel injectors. Fuel is a highly complex mixture of hundreds of hydrocarbons, and when exposed to the high temperature environment of an engine, some of these compounds can become deposits. This is a fuel injector, which sprays and atomizes precise amounts of fuel into an engine's combustion chamber. It's important for the fuel injector to spray fuel in very small droplets that will completely vaporize. Using low-quality gasoline can result in deposit buildup on the nozzle tip of injectors. This can result in larger droplets or streams of fuel that don't effectively vaporize and burn, thus leading to inefficient combustion. Fuel injector deposits can also restrict the flow of the fuel. These type of deposits can lead to reduced power and acceleration, decreased fuel economy, and increased emissions. Here we have an injector tester that allows us to see the spray pattern and measure the flow rate of fuel injectors. The injectors were first run for approximately 16,000 kilometers on regular unleaded fuel. This injector is spraying the fuel off to the side. In an engine, this injector may spray the fuel on the walls of the intake port rather than into the combustion chamber. The flow rate of the dirty injectors have been greatly reduced. This reduction in flow can lead to a loss in power and acceleration. Now after that 16,000 kilometer run, the treated injectors will run for an additional 480 kilometers with the same exact fuel, but this time with STP fuel additives. After that one tank of fuel, the injector flow has been restored to 99.5% of the original flow rate. STP fuel additives can help restore both power and acceleration, save gas, and lower emissions by cleaning dirty fuel injectors.
So ang presyo niya sa Handyman ay 425. Nakasale to ng 20% off. Nabili ko siya ng 425 less 85. Naka 85 pesos ako ng less. Balik po, bumili kasi ang paint, so balik dito. Ito yung kanyang mga description. Unplug daw si fuel, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Marami tong variant. Pinicturean ko sila, lalagay ko dito sa video description. Dito pala sa pinaka video. May iba-iba niyang variant, iba-iba din ang price. Dito sa meron mas mura, mas maliit dito. Kaso parang dito sila sa gallon capacity. Pinagkaiba. Tapos yung isa 5-in-1. All 5-in-1 na nakalagay. Tapos sobrang mahal niya. 800 pesos. So, ayun. Actually, 28 gallons per 354 ml. Kung lalating mo to sa isang full tank, parang nakakainayang dahil sobrang dami niya para sa isang full tank. So, gumawa ako ng computation. Ewan ko kung tama yung computation ko, pero ang ginawa muna, yung 28 gallons, convert ko siya into liter. 1 gallon is equal to 1 gallon ay 3.78 liters. So ibig sabihin, in 1 gallon 3.78 liters, minultiply ko siya into 28 dahil 28 gallons yung 3.78, lumabas ay 105.84 liters per 28 gallons. Ibig sabihin, yung isang buong 354 nito ay kasya sa 105 liters na tank capacity. 4.6 lang to. Sayang naman. So ang ginawa ko, sinubukan ko siya i-compute ng exact. Di yung total liters ng kaya niyang punan, dinivide ko sa 354 ml. Yung 354 ay ito. So ibig sabihin, nakakuha ko na 0.29 ml per 1 liter na gas tank. So yung 0.29 times ko sa 4.5 liters, which is the tank capacity, kaya 1.34 ml lang ang kukunin natin dito per isang full tank. So ayun guys, 1 point something ml lang ang kailangan natin dito para sa isang full tank nito. Yung sa Yamaha Lube, 1 bottle per full tank, at nakita ko is 75 ml yata yung kanyang lalagyan. Niisip ko kasi baka sa concentration, iba kasi yung concentration nun kaysa dito, kaya mas maraming capacity ng liters ang kaya nitong punan. So ang gagawin ko, siguro mga dalawang taklob nito ang ihalo ko. Actually nagpupultang na ako ng nabawasan na pala siya actually. Sa pan-tips doon. So ayun, pupultang ako. Konting tips, kung maglalagay kayo nito, mas maganda gamitin yung gas ay yung high octane. Ang nagamit ko kasi yung racing ng Shell 97 octane, yung kasi malapit nung ina. Mas maganda yung Blaze kasi Euro 6 na siya, mas advanced, tsaka 100 octane niya, mas malinis, mas malakas ang combustion, mas madaming clog ang maaalis. Actually kung nilagay nyo di nakapaglagay na kayo nito, tapos nakaubos na kayo na isang full tank, pwede ulit kayo siguro maglagay na dalawa pa ulit, tapos isa pa ulit full tank para sigurado. Tapos tsaka na kayo bumalik sa kung ano man yung gas na nilalagay nyo dati. So lagyan na natin. Puno yung lalagyan. Yan, kulay blue. Hindi, natapon mo. Ayun guys, nalagay na natin. Bali parang 3 bottle natapon kasi. Sorry. Nag-iisa kasi ako. So ito, yung sobra nito lalagay ko na sa kotse ko. Ano din kasi siya, full tank. So dito na lang guys. Ride safe. Sana may natutunan kayo, and disclaimer, kung ano lang yun lang naintindihan ko, yun din ang alam ko sa pagtuturo nito. So ride safe, DIY is good. Please like and subscribe.